how do I send testimonial request using Dubb? My clients are delighted with the service that I provide. They send me texts, they send me emails, but I want to go one step ahead and get a recording from them. I know that it can be done, but I don't remember how.
Well, let me refresh your memory, Carlos. Okay, the best way to send a video testimonial, because it's
A
super
request.
obviously convenient, right? Is using this button right here, reply with video. So you'd make a video up here at the top, and you'd say in that video, it's a nice heartfelt ask. You'd say, hey, listen, well, I would love to get a video testimonial from you. It would mean the world to us. All you have to do is click the reply with video button below. You don't have to download anything. Just allow camera and mic access. Put your email in there and let us know, what has business been like for you? So that's really the idea of the message. It's a very heartfelt ask, but the whole idea behind this is it's convenient for you, and it's definitely convenient for them because they don't have to meet in Zoom. They can just do this. So the whole idea is send a video just like this. Hey, Carlos, this is Rob. Thanks so much for using Dubb. We appreciate your business. It would mean the world to us to send you to get a video testimonial from you. All you have to do is click below, reply with video. Don't need to download anything. All you have to do is allow camera and mic, put your email in, and let me know what Dubb has been like for you. So, Carlos, whatever questions you want to ask them in the video. And then when they send it back to you, that's when you place it right here in the playlist, which is what we usually do. See how it says testimonials down here?
Got it.
Yeah. So just basically record a video, ask for the video testimonial, and just make sure below that video you have this button, your CTA button, reply with video right here.
Got
Does
it.
that make
Okay.
sense?
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.